how to see list of all groups joined on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see list of all groups that you have joined on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you can simply scroll down and tap on see more. And now here, if you scroll down from here, there you can see the groups and the pages option. So here you can just tap on groups option, and after that on the next page you'll see the section called your groups. So there you can just tap on see all beside that option to view the complete list of all the groups that you have joined so far. And that's it. That's how you can easily see all groups that you're a member with on Facebook. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.